Let's draw a cup.
D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Let's add 2 lines. And then a curve at the bottom. Now we'll add a curve at the top. And last, all we need to do is add an oval right here. This is a cup. What color will you make your cup? Will you add a design to it? Will you make someone drinking from it? Will you put something inside it? I'm so curious what you'll add to this drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.